All right, boys, I'm handing over the NBT sweatshirt to one of my homies here. He's into clothing. I told him to not lie and give me his first thoughts. What are you thinking, Kevin?
It seems like it's good quality. It has some nice pads. They definitely seem comfortable.
Is that all you have to say?
It looks like it's good quality. I like that it has zippers in the pockets.
Right. That's huge right there for riding, especially.
Especially because, keep shit locked in there.
Right.
Looks pretty nice.
I personally think that some places are a little bit thin than others. Otherwise.
It doesn't seem like a bad hoodie overall.
Right. What about for the price point of $250?
$250. I think $250 is a little steep.
With my code, it's around $200.
I'd say, for $200, it's not a bad purchase, especially because it's going to keep you protected, keep your valuables safe.
Right.
But I'd say use code S1KDK.
Hey, that's my fucking boy, dude. That's my boy. All right, guys, let's get into the video. All right, boys, what's up? S1KDK back for another video. I know it's been a while. I love you guys all. I'm sorry. I worked 2 12s this weekend, and I was not able to get a video in, sadly enough. However, right now I'm on my way to my local dealer, Tyler's Cycle. It's about a 45-minute drive. We are getting the 6,000 mile service done on this bike, and do not worry, boys, I will share you guys every single expense. I'm getting the 6,000 mile service done. I already did my oil change, and I need my brake fluid flushed. So I'm getting the 6,000 mile service done. We are balling, boys. It was a rough estimate of around a little bit under $500 just for the 6,000 mile service, $180 for the brake fluid change. I wanted to do it myself for the brake fluid change, but I need the GS911 tool, and that's like $300, boys. And I'm not rich, all right? I'm not rich. I can afford it, but I don't know if it's really worth my time or not. So we're about to get that done, and of course, like you saw in the beginning of the video, I have my NBT sweatshirt on. So if you guys don't know NBT Clothing is a brand. It's been kind of getting like really popular lately. It's like, it looks like a sweatshirt, but it's protective-ish gear, right? And I say ish because I'm gonna be honest, boys. So you can buy a lot better gear for better money. However, it is not gonna be as comfortable as a sweatshirt. It's gonna be a lot more money. So my boy PJ, right? CBR PJ, pop him up on the screen. He has an Alpinesters, kind of like a sweatshirt or jacket, I should say. It was like $500 and something used. But this sweatshirt is like $250 brand new. Now, if I were to crash, which one would I rather have on? I'd rather have on the Alpinesters. I'm just going to be completely honest. However, it is more expensive, so for you guys trying to save a buck or two, and two, it isn't as comfortable / like formal or informal as a sweatshirt, right? A lot of people, when they ride, they like to ride with a sweatshirt. However, when I first got it out of the box, I was kind of disappointed for the NBT sweatshirt. I was kind of disappointed at the fact that it felt cheap at first. At first, I was being really hard on it. I thought it was going to be a $700 product, right? But it's only $250, and their pads, it has one in the elbows, or two, I guess. Like they have one in the elbows, one in the shoulders, as well as one huge back plate. Now I looked, and it is CE approved, but it doesn't say any other kind of rating. So if you were to crash with or without this on, because most people that are going to buy NBT Clothing, they don't wear gear, right? Kind of like me. I don't wear a lot of gear. I wear it sometimes when it's nice and cold outside, like 50 degrees. I put on my full leather suit. But otherwise, I'm not putting that bitch on. It is so hot in the summer. I don't want to die of heat stroke. You know what I'm saying? So I tend to ride with just a sweatshirt on, or even just a t-shirt sometimes. With this sweatshirt that I have, there's really no excuse to throw it on. I'm getting a good amount of wind in my chest. It feels good. It's a nice cool breeze morning. I really have no reason to not put this sweatshirt on, boys. I'm just being honest. I really have no reason. I mean, it's comfortable. it's pretty damn comfortable. It has a nice breeze going through my chest. Like I said, I'm not hot. Like when you wear gear, usually you're hot as hell. I'm not hot. This feels actually pretty great. And you look informal, so you could rock in to a birthday party with this suit on and not have to take off, you know, your $500 jacket, or if you know, if you're a little chilly, you can put this on, no worries at all. It's pretty nice. And right now I think it's what, 70 degrees outside, so it's like 8 a.m. in the morning, so it's not like perfect and like, you know, temperature, like a good review temperature, which would be like 85 degrees. But even then, I mean, I've rode sweatshirts in 85 degrees, and this just feels like a sweatshirt. Now, about the price, $250 is a little overkill, bros. It is a little overkill. I personally, as a consumer, I would buy this sweatshirt at $150, maybe $200, right? 200 is kind of a good price point. $250, you know. But you can always use my code S1KDK, all caps, no spaces, at checkout for 15% off. However, I still wish it was cheaper. But you win some, you lose some. You know, they're a new company. They're trying to make money for better product all the time. I mean, you can't really complain too much. Fun fact, boys, Sargento does not make cheese, they package cheese. Fun fact, boys, fun fact. Isn't that crazy? We actually, at my factory, I work at a cheese factory, we actually make their cheese. They mix my cheese or our cheese with other different products. So fun fact, whenever you go to Sargento, I know it's the best fucking cheese around, boys. Best cheese around. As you guys know, I live in Wisconsin, so I'm a big cheese connoisseur, my guy. I'm a huge cheese connoisseur. I love cheese. I put cheese on a lot of stuff. You can't go wrong with cheese. I love milk too. I eat it with every single meal. A lot of you guys probably around the world or like in the US are probably like, damn, this dude gross as hell. Nah, bro, milk is fire as fuck. You can't change my mind. Milk be tasting good, dog. That should be fire. That should be hidden. Like, okay, so you know how you eat like ice cream or something? You want like some water or something? That should be hidden after ice cream, bro. That should be hidden fucking after anything. You could be eating anything and milk goes better than water with it. That's all I'm saying. That's my 2 cents on the dairy field. However, boys, I want to thank you. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, boys. Last year is when I officially made this YouTube channel. I didn't really know what I was doing. I had an idea. However, my goal was 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year. Now look at us. I hit 2,000 subscribers at the end of last year. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers this year. It is amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys have truly changed my life around for the better. This weekend, Saturday, I am hosting a fundraiser for a biker friend of mine. His kid is diagnosed with sarcoma. So I'm gonna make a huge video about it. I hope I can edit it good and tell the story enough for you guys to feel, you know, like you've known this kid for 5 years is what I'm trying to say. You know, I'm trying to make the story so you guys actually feel something, not just through a screen, but you know, in your heart, because it is heartbreaking, man. He has sarcoma, which, if you guys don't know, it's a part of a tumor in his brain, or you know, by his eyeball, by his brain. It's a tumor, and you know, the family's been just hammered down with bills and debt. So I promised him last winter that I'd make a fundraiser for him. A lot of people are coming. A lot of motorcycles, a lot of bikes, a lot of trucks, you name it. This is my first like car show that I'm hosting, and it's a fundraiser, so it's not just a car show. You know, I'm getting raffle tickets. I'm baking food, cooking food. I'm hosting the whole event. So there's a lot of shit that goes into car shows, especially fundraisers, that people like don't really think about. I want to say, you know, it's a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, and I've spent so much money already. All of the profit is going to go towards Alan and his family. However, you know, if we don't make profit on the whole event, which we are like pretty sure we're going to, if we don't, I'm just gonna give them all of the proceeds, like everything that I made. It's whatever, man. It's a donation. I'm really excited for it. I hope we can help Alan's family. You know, he's not expecting like $1,000 or anything, but you know, whatever helps. And you know, it means a lot that from you guys that I can afford a lot of stuff like that now. Like I can kind of splurge and donate money to people in need around the area, and this is like the perfect time to do it, man. I mean, it's seriously perfect, and I can't thank you guys enough. It means a world to me that you guys even sit here listening to me talk, and sometimes I think I'm not that interesting, but I mean, I guess I am. Shit, I guess I am. Maybe my bike's this interesting. Who knows, man? Who knows why you guys are watching me? Hey, a fellow sport bike rider. I had my bike in rain mode the whole time. What the hell? I was wondering why it wasn't backfiring. I'm like, the fuck's going on here? Left him in the dust. Right now I got my homie Kevin following me. He's dropping my bike off with me at Tyler Cycle. We're about to get breakfast after. I'm pretty hyped. Last week Thursday I had an amazing video planned. It was me gonna be handing out like inspirational quotes kinda on like sticky pads or sticky notes to drivers in a huge town that I live somewhat close by. However, call me lazy all you want, I ended up not doing it. I kind of took a nap that day, and I don't really feel like that video is going to do that well for some reason. I mean, it's an amazing video. Like, it's very, like, heartwarming and stuff like that. However, like, I don't know, it's just a weird way to title a video. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, handing out inspirational quotes. I don't know, it's just a weird way to title a video. But I will be doing that video somewhat soon here. Just give me some time, man. Give me some time. It's hard with my schedule to make videos, man. I work 12s every single weekend, and then the weekends that I don't work 12s, I have Abby home, so I like to spend time with her. And recently it's been really hard for me to get up in the morning. But no excuses, I still do a video once per week. It's been 7 days now since I've uploaded a video, so I mean, a little bit of give and take here and there, right? But I try to do a video every single week. And if you guys follow my Instagram at S1K_DK, you guys know that I finally got a lowering kit for this bike. Brentoon hooked it up, BT Moto, whatever you want to call it. They hooked it up with one. So I will be putting one on in the near future. I'm going to be putting it on myself too. Oh, look at the doggies. Hi, doggies. I will be putting that on in the near future. I'm hoping early next week, maybe even Friday. I'm not completely sure. I want to make sure it's done and good by Saturday, but I don't want to like start it Friday and have an issue. You know what I'm trying to say? Or like, you know, can't get something done and I have to call a friend and they're not available until Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Because the car show is Saturday, the fundraiser, and I really want to make sure my bike is there in perfect condition. So I am probably gonna wait. We'll see though. You know, like I said, Friday I have off, so I might do it Friday. We'll see. I'm of course gonna post a video about everything, how to do it, showing you guys that you guys can do it too, because I promise you, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I mean, I'm pretty good with tools and stuff, but if you have basic knowledge following my my video, you guys will be able to do it as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I can't wait to actually like comfortably touch the ground on this bike. I'm 5'6". I'm pretty short, so it's been difficult for me. But anyways, boys, I'm about there at my dealership. I love you guys all. Thank you guys so much for watching. My next video will be the fundraiser. So I'm hyped for that. Anyways, boys, catch you later. I love you guys. Peace.